Okay mga tol, 11 workout for beginner that you can do at home para makaburn tayo ng more calories. Okay, so number 1, jumping jack. So basic lang to mga moms, mga tol ha. Number 2, butt kicks. Number 3, jog in place. Number 4, side to side squats. Number 5, alternate lunge. Number 6, Muay Thai knees. Number 7, side leg lift, left and right. Number 8, shoe reach, left and right. Number 9, balancing, left and right. Number 10, front crawls. And lastly, burpees. So do this at home para makaburn tayo ng maraming calories at pagpawisan tayo. Okay, so if you like this video,